Alright, good morning mga kababayan. Welcome back sa ating channel Lakad TV. So right now nandito tayo sa farm. It's already plowed last night by a tractor machine. So we're just gonna check this out kung ready na for planting. Pero ito yan si boss oh. Yan ang matikas nating vlogger. Awan, nag-alala ka laman say. Ayan oh. So ito mga kababayan, kaibigan natin dyan, mga kapitbahay. Dami mga manok dito. Siyempre kumukuha sila ng mga makakain. So hopefully matamnan natin to mga kababayan. So we're just checking this out. We're gonna plant this for later on and see if we could improve the quality of the plants here. Well, the kind of plants that we are actually using is not a hybrid corn, but is already GMO, or the genetically modified organism. Yeah, we're planting such a kind of seeds because that's the thing now, or that's the trend now.